Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got the bed camera, Canon EOS from AJ. I've got a kick cylinder, 5 pins. So let's put this one in a vise and pick it. Nothing on 1. Click out of 2. Click out of 1. Another click out of 1. Small click out of 3. Click out of 4. Nothing on 5. Going back to 1. False set. And 1 is completely set now, I believe. Another click out of 2. Feels pretty good. Going to a 3. Nothing. Going on, getting counter rotation on 4. Click out of 4. Still false set. And we're in a deeper false set now. That was from 4. Nothing on 3. And we open. Very nice. So let's gut this baby. Den alten AJ hier. Sorry for my bad German. I want to use my favorite pinning tray. So we do have a key. Let's use it. And then I will use my tweezers for gutting. Boop. Perfect. And there's another O-ring. So I didn't need to remove this one. I need to remove this one. It looks like. Can do that maybe with this one. Alright. So now we need a follower that fits in here. That looks pretty good. And let's shim this baby. It looks good. Let me just move this around so we don't drop every pin. So as you can see, we have 5. That is number 1. Number 3, sorry. Huh. Oddly shaped. Okay, so they don't want to come out. Then we do it like this way. Got some serrations here. Deep cuts, serrations. That's what I was feeling. Okay, I will show you the pins later. Let's check the chambers. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the other way around. Alright. So it's clean, no modifications to the core. Now let's check. Let's check pin 1. Okay, some serrations and some spool elements, looks like. Then we got more or less standard. It used to be a It used to be a driver key pin, as you can see on this part here. I got some serrations or a cut in there. Some more deep cuts. Springs are not very strong. This one looks funny. This looks like a gem, almost. No, not really. Alright, so here we got the pins. Springs do look pretty normal, more or less. So let's go. Pin 1, some serrations, little spool part, more serrations. This is a reversed key pin. This is also a reversed key pin. And serration and spool parts, serration, spool parts, serrations, serrations, and this little T-pin-ish part here. So this was pinned by AJ, Bad Karma. Pretty fun log. Well, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.